Hey, what's up my YouTube peeps? Welcome back to my channel, Power Addiction. If you aren't a subscriber, please click the subscribe button down there. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm just here to tell you that the beast in the background is dead. Transmission shot. I don't know exactly if it's rebuildable or if it's the pump, if it's a torque converter. Not really sure, but what I can tell you is that for me to do any work to it, it's going to be the whole transmission. But I'm also falling into a predicament because I may be getting rid of that truck and getting something different, newer. So it's a little bit of a disappointment, but it started off a while back. It would shift from second to third, it would make a bang. And I ended up having a PTU issue and the front axle issue, and I replaced the front axles and I replaced the PTU, and it was fine for a couple weeks. And then out of nowhere, the transmission started to slip. When I say slip, it literally would not go from second to third. It would just, the engine would rev up almost redline, and then it would cut out. And then it would, when I took my foot off the gas, it would smash into gear. So I didn't know if it was a throttle position sensor or whatever. I checked all that. Everything seems to check out. The beast may be getting retired. We'll see. And when I say retired, I don't mean I'm not going to have another SUV. I'm either getting a pickup truck or an SUV. It's either going to be an F-150 or it's going to be the new Explorer Sport, the ST model, the one that comes out 2020. I'll know more about that in like July. So did have other things I wanted to do to it, like upgrade the turbos. I wanted to throw some some nitrous on it and do a couple other things and see what I can do. I was hoping that the transmission would have held up until I got to that point, because I knew that once I did that, I'd blow the transmission up anyways. Then I can go try to get something better. But anyways, no big deal. Whatever. I'm gonna have a new car for the channel coming up. That's gonna be my main goal. My main focus on the channel is gonna be my car. It's gonna be a 2018 or 2019 Mustang GT with I'm probably going with the base model just because I have so many things I want to do to it. One of the first things I'm going to do is obviously a tune, headers, intake, axles, drive shaft, and I'm going to get a wrap on it. The wrap's going to be pretty sick. I already know what I want for the wrap, so stay tuned for that. It's coming about, hopefully, I got to sell my house first, but hopefully in the next month or two I will have a new project and I can show y'all what each mod does for the car. Like quarter mile, I'll put a mod on, take it down to quarter mile, put another mod on, take it down to quarter mile, put another mod on, take it down to quarter mile, and we'll build it together and see where we are and what things work and what don't. Anyways, I do all the work myself on my cars. I'm one of those guys. I don't take it to a dealer. I don't have somebody else work on it. I like to know what's going on, what I did, if something's wrong with the work that was done, it's my fault. Anyways, y'all have a good one. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow big here. Anyways, y'all have a good day, and we're out.